Hello everyone, my name is Camila Lima Pires. I am an AEC technical consultant at Summit Technologies in Calgary, Alberta. For those that don't know Summit is a team of professionals that have been committed to the advancement of BIM in the AEC community. Our goal is maximizing the use of BIM for designers, constructors, and owners to help them define and provide solutions that BIM has to offer. Today, I am going to talk about the detail components. So detail components are 2D objects in Revit that should be used instead of drafting lines because they are more efficient, easier to use, and easier to control. There are a lot of details components in Revit library, but today we'll focus more on creating your own or modifying the out-of-the-box family to match your company standards. Some of the aspects you should consider is what are the sizes for these families? How is this family going to be represented? Does it need to set up the visibilities to show in different scale and detail levels? How many details do I need to include? Where the origin point should be? Does it include parameters and what type of parameters? Do I need to include shape handles or other type of controls such as flip controls, for example? So let's take a look at some families that I have here. If you have specific sizes for a family, you can create the types and set the visibility for every single type. For example, in this screw, I have different sizes and the visibility set for every single size. If I go inside to the family, you can see that all the sizes in here, but when I turn on the visibility and I change the type, so here are the visibilities that are controlling all the types. Then I can change it and pick the sizes that I want. Another example is the CMU section. It's an out-of-the-box family, and I modified to be a simple family with a visibility set for the mortar. And I have only two types, one with the mortar and the other one without. And I just check the box and it's done. My next example is a plywood section. I would like to add the shape handles to control it. And by doing that, I needed to create those parameters as I create as a weak reference, but could be anyone as long as it's not a reference. And also the length parameter has to be an instance parameter. So when you load in your project, you have the shape handles where you can control by dragging or by simply typing the length that you want. My last example is the window detail. And in this window detail, I have visibility settings for different shapes. So if I have a medium or a coarse, a fine detail level, then it's gonna show in the different, but all in a single family. So let's take a quick look inside of this family. And so I have all the shapes here. And then if I click on the visibility and graphics, I set up this one only to show in the medium, for example. One last tip I would like to mention is about the field regions. So to not transfer information from one project to another, I like to create these squares with the field regions that I'm going to be working on. And all what I do is select them and I do Ctrl C and Ctrl V and then place on the other family that I'm working on. And by doing that, I'm not transferring unnecessary information. And that makes a lot easier. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully I could help you with some tips of creating detailed components. If you have any questions in implementing Revit, Summit can definitely help you. Feel free to contact us. The numbers are on the screen. You can also visit our website and our blog for more information. Thanks again.